Example 12. Page number 212. Okay, page number 212. The cartoon consists of 100 shirts, of which 88 are good and 8 have minor defects and 4 have major defects. Jimmy, a trader, will only accept the shirts which are good, but Sujata, another trader, will only reject the shirts which has the major defects. One shirt is drawn at random from the cartoon. What is the probability that it is acceptable to Jimmy? Okay, that is just yours. Today position, after so total number of shirts. Total number of shirts, it is equal to 100. In that good shirts are 88 shirts with minor defects. It is equal to 8. And shirts with major defects, that is 4. Okay, with major defects 4. So first one, it is acceptable to Jimmy. What is the accepted by Jimmy? Is equal to, or when he accepts, will only accept the shirts which are good. So number of favorable events by the total number of events, that is probability. Okay, by total number of events, that is probability. So number of favorable events is 88 good, he will accept. What is the total? We have 100. So this is the answer, 88 by 100. So what will be the answer? 2 zeros here, 1, 2, 0.88 is the probability. Or you can write in a fraction also. Then, so P probability of shirt is accepted to Sujata. Shirt is accepted to Sujata. When she accepts, when there is, she will not accept only when there is major defect. So this she will not, this portion she will not accept, everything else she will accept. That is 88 plus 8 and she will accept. So that is number of favorable events is 96, 96 by 100, 0.96 is the probability, or you can divide and keep. Okay. 2 dice, one blue, one gray, are thrown at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes and what is the probability that sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8, 13, less than or equal to 12. This is the question. So 2 dice, one dice will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that one dice will contain all these possibilities. So 2 dice, they put it at the same time. So what are the possible outcomes? See, here the possible outcomes is 6. Another dice, if you put also, it is 6. Same thing, if you are simultaneously, if you are taking 2 times, So number of possible outcomes, is equal to the probability. How many options are there? 6. And 2 times 2 dice simultaneously you will put, that is square. 2. 6 square it will become. So total possibility will be 36. Like that. If you are taking 3 dice, 6 to the power of 3. 36 into 6 will be the possibilities. Again, I repeat, see, anything how to calculate is, there are, if you put 1 dice, the possibilities are 6 options. That is 6 base. How many dice you will put together? It is 2. So 6 square, that is 36 will be the possibilities what you will get. And how to write that sample set? Sample set, first start from 1, keep 1 and 1. Then 1 and 2, 1 and 3. 1 you keep it constant and change the other. It is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then start 1, from 1 it is done. So start with 2. What are 1 dice if you put 2? If other dice, all other possibilities we will try to write. With 2, it is 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6. Okay, again with 3, 3 and 1, 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 4, 3 and 5, 3 and 6. This is very important questions. Many times related to this, they will ask the question in the exam. Okay, so then 4 and 1, 4 and 2, 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 4 and 5, 4 and 6. Okay. Then 5 and 1, 5 and 2, 5 and 3, 5 and 4, 5 and 5, 5 and 6. Then we have 6 and 1, 6 and 2, 6 and 3, 6 and 4, 6 and 5, 6 and 6. So total these many options we get. Okay. Once you write all the options, whatever question he asked, within that you can answer. Once you write all the options in the sample set. Okay. So whatever question in that, if they ask also, you can write. Even with the coin also it will come. No, sometimes they'll ask with 3 coins tossing together. All the 3 coins together, if they are tossed, put another. And okay, all together, sometimes they will ask, not only 2, like that. So there, for everything, it is 2 options will be there, right? Head and tail 2 option. Then the coin 3 times 3 coins together, 2 to the power of 3. So 8 options you will get overall, like that. Okay. So this is done. And now what is the question he is asking? What is the probability that sum of the 2 numbers appearing on the top of the dice? Sum of 2 numbers is 8. So sum of 2 numbers 8. Calculate. Lakshan. How many are there? Which one? See and tell me that. Sum of 2 numbers is 8. What are they? 5 options. Which and all? 5 and 1. No, 6 and 6 and 2, 5 and 3, 4. 6 and 2, 1. Then 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 4 and 4. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 6 and 2. Okay. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 options are there. Okay. So what will be the probability here? 5 by 36. Okay. So whatever question in this they will ask, everything will be in the sample set only. How many you should count and you should write in the favorable events in the numerator, total in the denominator. Okay. And next 13. Netra, calculate and tell me. Sum of two numbers is 13. What is the probability? Karthik, calculate and tell me. Why is 0?
Because last 6 and 6.
Maximum two numbers can be 6 and 6. It is 12. So 6 and 7 is not there. So it is 0. So what type of event is this, Lakshit?
Not possible. Impossible.
Impossible event. So this is an impossible event. And Rita, third one you calculate and tell me. Third question. Less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. Sum should be less than or equal to 12. How much?
36.
Good. Why 36?
Because 6 plus 6.
Less than that, maximum 6 plus 6, 12 you will get. Less than that or equal to means everything will come in that. So it is a sure event. All the possible numbers is probability of this.
So it will be 1.
Yeah. It is all is 36, 36 by 36, 1. That is sure event. Definitely one of that it has to be there. Definitely you will get because less than or equal to 12. Maximum 12 you will get, less than that all options will come. So less than or equal to 12. Here it is 1. Next I will tell just both of the numbers are even numbers. Both of the numbers whatever you are getting is even numbers. Calculate probability.
So adding both should be.
No, both the numbers should be even. The two numbers should be even. Both the numbers should be even. It is not adding.
9 by
How many you can get? 9 by 36 you will get. What are the options? You will get 2 by 2.
2 by 2, 2 by 4, 2 and 6, then 4 and 2 and 4 and 4.
1, 2, 3.
6. And 6 and 2 and 6 and 4 and 6 and 6.
4 and 2, 4 and 4, 4 and 6. Okay, then
6 and 2, 6 and 4 and 6 and 6.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So probability will be 9 by 36. So any question related to that you can answer once you know the sample set. Clear? Probability of an event E plus the probability of event not E equal to 1. Good. Happening that event or not happening that event, it will be always equal to 1. Second one. Karthik, what is the answer? Second one?
0.
That cannot happen. Probability of an event that cannot happen, it is 0. Correct. And such an event is called impossible event. And read the next one.
1 and sure.
1
and sure.
Correct. So third one, probability of an event that is certain to happen. Yeah, probability is 1. We call it a certain event or the sure event. Next one. What is the answer? Fourth one.
Yes.
Sum of probability of all elementary events of an experiment is 1. Correct. Sum of all the elementary events probability is all you will get, right? So it is equal to 1. Next. Lakshit, fifth one. Fifth one.
One, no? Greater than or equal to.
Yeah, great.
0.
Less
than or equal to.
Correct. So greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Okay. Write down this. Which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Explain. First one, a car attempts to start A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. It is equal. Why it is not equal?
Because it most probably start.
Yeah, what if the engine is gone? That's why it is have equally likely outcome. So it is not equally likely outcome. That means equally likely outcomes means chances of happening is same for both. Equal likely it can happen. That is the thing. So first one it is no. Huh. So first one is not that. Next, second one, a player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot.
Not.
Because you cannot say directly by that. That is the reason. A trial is made to answer a true or false question. The answer is right or wrong. Equally likely outcome. Third one. Next one. Fourth one is also equally likely outcome. Okay. Done. Huh.
Actually, it's not equal.
Which one?
Both of them. What if it's strings? Or
Third one. Why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball of the beginning of a football game?
because it's equally like
Equally likely. Yeah.
and it's not like
Correct. It is an equally likely outcome. Next, fourth one. Fourth one, what is the answer, Lakshit? Which of the following cannot be probability of an event? B. Why? So probability ranges from 0 to 1. So option should be 0 to 1. 2 by 3 is between that. Minus 1.5 is not there. 15% means 0.15. So 0 to 1 only it will come. 0.7 also like that. Okay. Netra, fifth one. P of E. It is given 0.05. P of not E equal to what? What you will get? Before that you were telling no, that only you should use. P of E plus P of E bar is what? So what is P of E bar? 1 minus P of E. Say P of happening that event plus P of not happening that event always equal to 1. So P of happening the event they have given. So P of not happening the event is 1 minus P of E. So that is 1 minus 0.05. How much you will get?
0.9.
Correct. 0.05 here. You will get 0.95. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy? So the bag contains only lemon flavored candies. So what is probability that she will take the orange candy in there? Zero, because she cannot get that because there is only lemon thing. How you can get that orange? So probability of that is zero. Karthik, second one, sixth question, second one, what is the answer? Why it is one? Correct. Okay, read and tell. Slowly tell. Okay, listen here carefully. In the bag, there is only lemon flavored candies. You will take one. What type you can get? Lemon flavored. He is telling lemon flavored. So the probability of getting same only, no? Correct? So probability of not having same birthday, it is 0.992. So probability of having on the same day is what? P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar. So 1 minus, you repeat what is your answer? You were telling 0.8. Sure. 0.008 na? C. 992 no? 8 here 0.008. Okay. So P of E is equal to 0.00E. Netra, next one, try. Good. So a ball is drawn random from the bag. It contains three red balls and five black balls. So what is the probability that they get the red ball? So favorable thing is 3. The total is 8. Not red ball. Okay. We have ninth one. Hmm. 570. 5 by 70. 5 by 70. 8 by 70. 13 by 70. So, next one. A box contains 5 red balls. 5 are 8 white balls and 4 green balls. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that marble taken out will be red? So probability of getting the red. So it is favorable is 5 divided by total number. What is the total number you will get? 70. 70. So probability of getting white 8 by 17. And probability of getting not green. Not green, how much man we have? 13. 13 by 17. 13 by 7. First, probability of any event means, listen here, Karthik, listen, probability of any event means number of favorable events. That is, which one we want, what is the condition we want, that is with that satisfying, that is favorable events. And divided by total number of events. Okay. Now, what he has given in a big piggy bank, it contains 150 paisa coins. So 50 paisa coins count, it is 100 is there. So that is number of coins or number of 50 paisa coins. Count it is 100. Coin, not the value. Coins 100 are there. Okay. So, and 50, okay. 51 rupee coin. So, number of 1 rupee coins. How many are there? There are 50. Then 10 5 rupee coins. Number of 5 rupee coins. Right here. Okay. 5 rupee coins. They are 10. Okay. Uh, and rupee 2, it is 20 coins. Number of rupee 2 coins, it is 20. Like that, count it is even. So, what is the probability that now they will take the 50 paisa coin? What will be probability, Netra? 50 paisa coin. 88 is not the 100, no. 100 by 180. Total it is 180. Within that 100 coins are there. Any of the 100 coin is what I want. So that count is 100, right? 100 by 1. Understood? Karthik, seriously understand, man? Hmm? Then what else they have given will not be a rupee 5 coin. Not a rupee 5 coin. It should not be rupee 5. So rupee 5, this is not there. Leaving that, anyone will be my favorable event. So how many will? 100 plus 50, 150, 160, 170. So it will be 170 by 1. Huh. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that fish taken out is a male fish? So it is 5 by 13. So probability of taking a male fish, it is 5 by 30. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.